You can create the perfect demo, but it's buried at the bottom of your page or hidden behind most teams leave conversion, no one will see it. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to place website demos, how to embed them, and the specific tactics that drive engagement. The first rule is to place demos above the fold wherever possible. If visitors have to scroll to find your demo, most won't. The highest performing placements from our research put the demo on top with a clear CTA to launch it, visible immediately on page load. Rule 2 is to position demos near decision points. Think about where visitors are making decisions. For example, feature explanations. This sounds useful, but how does it actually work? Or in pricing pages, is it worth the investment? Or finally, in comparison pages, why should I choose you over competitors? These are high intent moments. A demo at the right decision point can be the difference between a conversion and a bounce. Finally, rule 3, don't treat demos as secondary content. Your demo often isn't supplementary. It's often the most valuable content on the page, and it drives learning by viewing and understanding visually. So you want to feature it prominently with clear call to actions like see it in action in 5 clicks, try the interactive demo, or explore the product in real time. Supademo offers several embed options. First is inline embed. The demo appears directly on your page, which is best for feature pages or home pages where the demo is the primary content, like in a hero section. The second is a modal or pop-up embed. The demo opens up in a modal overlaid on top of your content. Third is a sidebar embed or a demo hub. This demo floats inside of your product or app and is useful for documentation, for support pages, or in-context enablement. When it comes to implementation tips, here are several. Make sure the area that you're embedding the Supademo into is wide enough so the viewers can easily spot and view hotspots without it defaulting to the mobile view. Second is to use autoplay cautiously. Some visitors prefer to control the pace of the demo and when it starts rather than automatically playing without context. And third is to configure your custom domain so that the URLs fully match your brand and the theme is aligned with your styling. To wrap things up, place demos above the fold near decision points with clear CTAs and strong supporting copy. Use the embed format that fits your page design and test regularly. In the final video, we'll cover measurement, how to track demo performance, how to iterate on it, and prove ROI. I'll see you there.